Cleantech Solar signed. So the First Solar and Cleantech Solar, I think this is an Indian company. They signed a 15-year electricity purchase agreement. Okay. So First Solar announced positive progress in promoting clean energy in India. The company has partnered with Cleantech Solar to provide renewable energy for its new thin film solar module factory in Tamil Nadu. These two companies have signed a 15 million year power purchase agreement under which Cleantech Solar will build 150 MW of solar and 150 megawatt of solar and 16 megawatt of wind energy in the state. Once put in operation, these power generation assets are expected to generate approximately 7.3 gigawatt hours of electricity, which will be supplied to First Solar's 3.3 gigawatt factory. This measure is expected to meet 70% of the facility's electricity demand. In addition, Cleantech Solar has committed to purchasing 150 megawatts of Indian-made 7 series thin film solar panels from First Solar to power PPA solar modules. The module is expected to be delivered in the first half of 2024. Sujay Ghosh, Vice President and Managing Director of First Solar India, explained. So First Solar is already in India and they are merging, or they came into an agreement with a local Indian company called Cleantech Solar. Okay, our new manufacturing plant in Tamil Nadu not only sets a high benchmark for responsible and sustainable vertical integrated solar manufacturing in India, but also globally. First Solar Tamil Nadu plant aim to reduce its impact on local water resources, relying entirely on the city's tertiary treatment of reverse osmosis water to achieve zero wastewater